Alright guys, today let's look at Semir Garment. Again, let's first use Warren Buffett's mentor Benjamin Graham's stock picking method listed in the Intelligent Investor to evaluate this company. The first requirement is adequate size. Semir's market capital is 13 billion Chinese yuan, ranked number 3 in clothing industry. Its annual revenue is around 12 billion Chinese yuan. The size is moderate. Number 2 is strong financials. Semir Garment's current ratio is 1.95. Its working capital is 21 times of its long-term debt. So the current ratio is a little short from the greater than 2 requirement. But if you look at debt to asset ratio and the financial expense, those are both okay. So on strong financials, we consider Semir pass. Number 3, earnings stability. Semir has been profitable for 18 consecutive years. Its earnings record is pretty stable. Number 4 is dividend record. Semir has paid out dividends for 14 consecutive years, also pretty good. Number 5 is earnings growth. In the past 10 years, Semir's earnings actually declined by 26%. There's a big gap from the greater than 33% requirement. Number 6 is moderate price to earning. In the last 3 years, Semir's average PE is 12.6. This one's good. Number 7, moderate price to assets. Semir's current price to book value is around 1.2, also meeting the requirement. So we can see that among the 7 criteria, Semir passes 6, but it's failing earnings growth pretty bad. Next, let's try to calculate its intrinsic value. The way I calculate intrinsic value is by adding up Semir's liquidation value and the next 10 years total dividend. If Semir can sustain a high annual growth rate, its intrinsic value is around 7.6 yuan per share. If it has no growth in the future, the intrinsic value is 5.4 yuan per share. If its business declines, then the intrinsic value is 3.1 yuan per share. In the recent years, Semir's earnings has been up and down and showing a general declining trend. Its adult clothing brands are not so competitive in China, yet its kids clothing brand Bala Bala has pretty good market share. However, as the number of newborn declines in China, its kids clothing brand's future is also questionable. I believe many investors are attracted to Semir Garment because of its near 7% dividend yield. In the past 5 years, it has paid out about 80% of its net profits as dividend. In 2021, it even paid out 135% of its net profit. However, since I'm not so confident about Semir's future earnings capability, corresponding to that, I don't think its generous dividend can be sustainable. I estimate its future annual growth rate will be a negative value. The intrinsic value is around 4.8 yuan per share. How do you like this analysis? What do you think about Semir Garment? Let's discuss in the comments. Stay tuned.